We'd like to see how to fill data automatically in Excel to save time. I want to create a schedule and I need daily dates down the side. So I select the cell and in the lower right hand corner, that's called the fill handle. When I move my selection cursor over the fill handle, that's called the crosshair. I click and drag with the crosshair. And just like that, I filled daily dates. I can do the same thing with time. Click the fill handle with the crosshair, and just like that, it fills time. We have created a schedule. We're not limited to incrementing dates day by day. Here we have end of the month values. So we use our crosshair, click and drag. And in the lower right-hand corner, that's called the autofill options button. Hover, click the downward arrow, and there's all sorts of amazing options. The one we want is fill months. And just like that, we have the end of the months, including February. We can also use autofill to copy just the date. Click and drag. Point to the autofill options and select Copy Cells Only. And just like that, we've copied the date. We can fill formatting only. Select the two cells. Click and drag. It temporarily ruins our data. But autofill comes to the rescue. We want fill formatting only. We can also fill number data. If I highlight two cells with the numbers 1 and 2, when I click and drag, it knows to always add 1. We can also do even numbers. Click and drag. We can go backwards. Click and drag. We can even use text with a number at the end. And when I click and drag, it automatically increments to week 10. So in this video, we saw some amazing tricks for filling data automatically in Excel.